The tremendous scale on which this Versailles of the ancient world was planned and built was in keeping with the vision of its builders as they dreamed of greater empires. Some of the blocks in this 50-foot terrace wall weigh over 40 tons and are taller than the native Persian on his donkey jogging along a road that emperors traveled. From this imposing stronghold, those same emperors watched their troops proudly passing in review upon the plain beneath. Persia's subject nations never supposed these mighty walls would long outlive the greatest empire the ancient world had yet beheld. Whoever climbed the grand staircase to seek admission at the gate of Xerxes had need of flawless credentials, for they were inspected by the picked troops who guarded the palaces, a regiment called the Immortals, famous in the annals of Persian conquest. The columns are all that remains of their guardroom, which was attached to the gate. The road running north from the Persian Gulf comes straight as an arrow toward Persepolis, across the plain, over a mile above sea level. Those far-off mountains rise almost as high again. Imagine this terrace when the halls and palaces were in their glory. After restoration of the harem palace of Darius had been half completed by the Oriental Institute,